Hello friends, morning. KC channel presenting today's video. Sorry, no alphabet, no numbers. It is about logical reasoning. For UGC paper 1, railway, banking, all competitive examination. This type of questions, minimum 5 questions in this model. For this is the key. We should know which is the alphabet T in what is the sequence. The alphabet T in 20. The alphabet L in 12. That we should remember. Let's see. First question. What will be the next letter? The answer is J, I or Q. See here. The first letter of this word D. Remove the next E. Second one is F. Remove the next alphabet. Then it comes H. Again I remove I. Then the answer is J. Then come to the last digit. Reverse order is no T U, no V W. Same here. Q, no R S. In reverse order. Q, R S T U V W. The R T V E G I removed, skipped in the answer. Here the word, it is given the code Agartala 14168171. Here A1, G4, R6, again A1. For Agra, answer is 1461. We need to read properly, understand, read it twice how it is coded. So I am reading twice. Here A, every alphabet A is 1. So I understood that A is 1, G is 4, R is 6. Relationship between the words AST, BRU, NQV. Answer is OPW. See here. The last digit TUVW in order. Second, PQRS in a reverse order. PQRS, TUVW from up to down. PQRS from bottom to up. Based on that, ABNO. A, the next letter B, N, the next letter O. Clock, it is written reverse. CLOCK. It is written as KCOLC. Same steps. SPETS, reverse. STEPS in reverse. Again, relationship. What is the relationship? See here. The last digit. First two words HI. Second two words KL. Sequence H, next letter I. Whereas in the third digit F G H I J. Skip 3 letters. Again I am skipping from here I J K L M. J K L M and the answer is N. See here G H I J, 4 letters skipping in the first 2 words. Here between I and N, J K L M, 4 words skipping. Insurance, reverse order. Look at this. Insurance is written in the reverse order. Same hindrance, I am writing HINDRANCE, reverse order. This is the right answer. Water is called food, food is called tree, tree is called earth, earth is called world. Following grows a fruit. We know answer tree. Tree is called earth. I am picking earth. I am not looking at other option. Only checking where the fruit grow. Tree. What is tree is called? Earth. See here. Pan is written as 31. Par is written as 35. How PAT? This is the table I given in the previous. The letter T in 20th position. In the sequence 26 alphabet, 20th alphabet is T. 16th alphabet is P. Based on that, the total 37 comes. Same relationship between AF and IK. Based on the relationship, got the answer TV. See here, 5472 equal to 9, 6342 equal to 6, 7584 equal to 6. What is 9236? Answer is 2. How? See here. The total 5472, the total is 18. 8 plus 1, 9. Again, for our question 9236, total is 20. The answer is 2. The right answer. Again, coded. Morgan is coding as KMFYL. Then count will be, this is the right answer, AMSLR. AMSLR. See here, K, leave the L, M. Leave one alphabet, M. Same here, C, leave the previous alphabet. That is B, and it is comes A. Okay. Certain code Gallop represented by HBMJC. How tiger is represented by? See the last digit BC, and here my tiger, the last digit next to R, S. No other option, S is there. So I am picking the right answer, S, based on the last digit B, C or S. See here, B will be given by honey. Milk given by how? What is given by teacher? Wisdom, the knowledge, wisdom, given by teacher. See the relationship. What B will give? Honey. What how will give? Milk. What teacher will give? Wisdom. How a person writes numbers from 0 to 99. Writing 0 to 99. Number of time 3 will be written. How we can predict? We need to count. 3 will be in every 10. 0 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30 likewise. Up to 90, how many tens it will come? It will come around 19 plus 30 to 39. So the total will be 20. So we need to count every tens. So 9 times. Then 30 to 39, 11 times. So 11 plus 9, 20. See this code. Teacher written as TUV. T, U is not there, V. The same children. D is not there, E. First letter, last letter again. Or S, T. No S, T. Again children, N, O, P. So first letter and the last digit I checked. I don't get the there are two options again. Then again I am coming to the next to the last. E, F, G. E, F, G. Here E, F, G. Again it comes. And now I am checking to the third digit. A, B, C. I, A, B is not there, C. Here I, J is not there, K. So the K will come in the third digit. So I picking the digit right answer as the third option. Same the series. Complete the series. See the relationship between the alphabet. First and second and third and fourth. The right answer is T, S. How? Let's see. B, C, D, E, 3 digit is not there. Between B and F, 3 alphabet is missing. Likewise, I am calculating the right answer T, S. So checking the relationship between the alphabets. This question is repeating several times in UGC. Streamer is coded as like this. Then knowledge will be S, T, U. T is not there, U. See here. So likewise, I am predicting K, L is not there, M. First two is there. Again, I am coming to the next digit. T, U, V. U is not there. N, O is not there, P. So the answer is first one. Checking the first digit and second digit and the last digit. Complete the series. How? Let's see. I am not checking the numbers, only checking the alphabet. B, C, D, F, H, I. The I is not there. Every alphabet between B and D, C is not there. D and F, E is not there. F and H, G is not there. H and J, I is not there. The right answer is J58Q. The 58 is not, no need to worry about the number. Only cross-checking the alphabet. Thank you, friends. Share it. Share this to your friends. Subscribe my channel.